Hello everyone. Okay, the previous session what have learned? Yes, addition of two-digit numbers and also three two-digit numbers. Okay, in today's topic we are going to learn about regrouping of numbers. Regrouping of numbers from ones to tens. Yes, I know you are all clear about the place value, right? The tens and ones place. You are all clear about this. See here, ones place means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 and 9. See, these are in which place here? Yes, in ones place. These are also called, yes, one digit numbers, right? If more than 9 ones. See here 9 is the largest one digit number, right? If after 9 what's the number? Yes? Yes, 10. How will we write 10 in ones place itself? No. Yes, for the 10 means 1, 0. So you have to give or assign a place for a tens place also, right? How will you write 10? 1, 0. So what happened here? We shifted this 1 to the which place? Tens place, right? Yes. Now see, if with example you know, after 10 means what number? 11. That also what? Two digit number. So you have to assign ones place and also the tens place. Let me see one example. See, 14 ones. How will we write this? 14 ones means, yes, you tell this expanded form of this number 14. Yes, 14. Here 4 is in ones place and 1 in tens place. So how will we write here? Yes, tell me, 1 in tens place. So 1 tens plus 4 in ones place. So 1 tens plus 4 ones equal to, you will get this number, right? Yes. Now let's consider one more example. See, in your textbook, if you go through means in page number 19, see, 2 tens plus 16 ones equal to dash tens plus dash ones. How will we find out this? Yes, if 2 tens means, first you have to arrange this in column. Okay, 2 tens. So place value 1, 10. 2, yes, tens. So where you have to write this 2 number here? In the tens place. 2. Now 16 ones. 16. Yes. Is this one digit number, dears? No. This is two digit number. So here how it will be? 6 in ones place. 6. 1 in tens place, right? Yes. Now how will we find? Here if no number in the ones column, right? So just assume this place as a 0. 2 tens means is 20, right? 2 tens means it is 20. So here we have to write 0. Now, okay, if we add any number with 0, what number we will get? The same number. Okay, if we add any number with 0, you will get the same number as the sum. That means 6 plus 0, 6. 8 plus 0, 8. Okay. So now we are consider it as a 0. Now calculate it. 0 plus 6. Yes. Yes? Yes. 6. 0 plus 6 is 6. The same number only we will get as the sum because it is 0. Now tens place. 2 plus 1. Yes? 2 plus 1. 3. So 2 tens plus 16 ones. What the answer we get? What the sum we get? 36. Now 36. Right? Now 6 is in the which place here? Tell me. In ones place. 3 in tens place. So dash tens. What is in the tens place here? 3. So we shift this 3 into here. 3 tens. Then which is in this ones place here? 6. So we shift the 6 into ones place. Right? So 3 tens plus 6 ones equal to, yes, 36. Now you got, yes? Let me see one more example. 4 tens plus 12 ones. Dash tens and dash ones. How will be found? Yes. Now you have to help me to find the sum. You already know the concept, right? How to do this. So help me, children. Yes. 4 tens. So what we have to write now? You simply write first the place value 0 and tens. Okay. Now 4 tens. So where we have to place the 4 here? In which place? Yes, in the tens place we have to place 4. Next 12 ones. 12 is the 2-digit number. Tens ones. Yes, in ones place you have to put 2 and in ones place, tens place, in ones place 2 and tens place 1. Yes. Here, what we have to assume here, consider this place as an 0. Okay. So, we know when we add any number with 0, what will we get? The same number, right? So 0 plus 2, tell me. Yes, it is 2. 4 plus 1, yes, 5. 52. So how will we write here? You just see 5, it's in which place? Tens place. So tens, 5 tens and 2 in ones place. It is 2 ones. Okay. Now this is the example simply you learn without, yes, regrouping. Now with regrouping we will do one example. 27 plus 48 equal to dash. The first what we have to do, this we have to put into the column. How will we put? 27 plus 48 plus 48. Then we have to assign the place value. Yes. Assign the place value. Now, all of you ready to do this calculation? This addition? Yes. 7 plus 8. How much is 7 plus 8? Yes. Tell me. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. See, if it is 15, what number is this, my dears? Yes, 15 is 2-digit number. So we have to assign 2 place value. So what will we do? First we add in ones place, right? 7 and 8 are in ones place. See, in 15, 7 plus 8, 15. Which number is in ones place here? Yes, 5. So you have to write 5 alone, not 15. You have to write the number which is in the ones place, 5. You have to write in the column ones place, 5. So what about the 1 here? We have to write here itself. Then what will we do this in this tens place? Yes? Yes. We have to carry forward. This 1 will be right here in tens place. 1 is in tens place, right? So in tens place we have to write here. What will we say this number as? Carry forward. Okay? The 1 shifted into the tens place. Now, already what are the numbers in the tens column here? 2 and 4. 2 plus 4, 6. We have to write here 6. No, you have to do add this 1 with that 6. 2 plus 4 equal to 6. Then this 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1, 7. So 27 plus 48 equal to 75. Okay. Now you got, see, if in ones place, if you got 2-digit number, when we add the 2-digit numbers in ones place, if we get 2 digit, what we have to shift that tens place into the here. What will be? It will be called as? It will be called as carry forward number. After you calculate this tens place number, already we are here. Then again you add this number with that answer, that is from the 6. Then you got this number. Okay? Do you want to know one more example? Do you want to see one more example? Yes? Let me see. 45 plus 38. First, what we have to do? Yes, we have to arrange these two numbers in columns. That is 45 plus 38. Okay, then we have to assign a place value for this number 0 and tens. We know, right? 0 and 1s. First, what we have to do here? Yes, in the ones column, what are the numbers in ones column here? Yes, this 2. 5 plus 8. How much is 5 plus 8? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 5 plus 2 is 13. 13 is, yes, 2-digit number. Ones place, tens place. So, we are, which number we add now? In which place? In ones place. So, in 13, which is in ones place here? 3. So, we have to write 3 here. And what about this 1? Yes, we shifted this 1 into, yes, as a carry forward in which column? Yes, in the tens place value. Okay. Now what we have to do next? What are the numbers in the tens place now? Yes, 4 plus 3. How much is 4 plus 3? 5, 6, 7. 7 is single digit number. We have to write here 7 directly. Yes. No. We have to add this 7 plus the carry forward number, right? 1. 7 plus 1 equal to 8. See, the carry forward number, this is known as regrouping of numbers from ones to tens. Okay, now we all got, yes, now we all got the concept. What is regrouping of numbers? Yes. Then we do addition of 2-digit numbers with regrouping of. This is addition of regrouping with 2-digit numbers. Now we all got, yes. Okay, so in today's class what you have learned? 2 topics. Regrouping of numbers from ones to tens and also addition of 2-digit numbers with regrouping. Regrouping means we will carry forward the number. Carry forward. The extra number is called what? The shifted number. Carry forward. Hope you all got the concept what I am teaching in this lesson. Right? This topic. Okay. Thank you.